Hello, people. After so long, I am making a video where I just want to speak. I mean, it's like the reason why I set up this channel is so that I don't know, yeah, I want to just connect with people. There was this YouTuber I had come across where she says that uh, the reason she created her channel is to so that she is able to make friends. I found that very unique. So I think. That's what. But of course, I've seen that videos where I'm just randomly speaking don't do as well as the videos that are, like it's a movie review, restaurant review. But no, yeah, in life these things also count. So yeah, people, uh, considering many people watch this channel, I mean the people I know watch this channel. So I just have to say this that um, no, I'm wondering whether to say it or not. I think I shouldn't say it because if you go out on a blind date, just make sure that there are these certain minor things that are very character revealing. So, if you are able to pick up on those, like certain things, like there are people who are very controlling in the very first time you meet them itself, I think, like in terms of whatever you so you have to just be careful of that, because however your first date turns out, I mean, to a large extent, is it kind of reveals how what are the things to come. So yeah, these minor smaller things, no, if you are to keep in mind, it helps in the larger scheme of things. Like, say if a person decides that no, I don't want the open air, I want to sit inside a closed restaurant, so you're like, yeah. So anyway, small things, they so you have to just keep that in mind, and I think life will be good. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.